We must polish the Polish furniture that we have at home. We must polish the Polish furniture that we have at home. Now, with this one, there is one difference. Polish, because it relates to the country Poland, will always be capitalized. So here it's being used as an adjective. If somebody is Polish, they're from Poland. Okay, I couldn't find a great picture for polish. Polish, it means to make something shiny. So if you have furniture that is made from wood, okay, wood furniture, you could take furniture polish and polish it. Sometimes you will hear the English phrasal verb polish it up, means to make it look better, to make it look shiny. You will often take a cloth and wipe the polish on the furniture. That's how you polish it. But you can also have Polish. And I believe Ivana is Polish. And Adriana and Luke, longtime channel members. Shout out to them. Thank you so much for your support. Another Polish channel member. Wow. Poland is well represented in the Discord. Thank you. Emmanuel, yeah, I'm glad I could teach you something. Yeah, refuse is trash. Refuse is trash.